GH, I got a gal in Kalamazoo. Don't wanna boast, but I know she's the toast of Kalamazoo. Zoo, 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 zoo. Years have gone by.
My, how she grew.
I liked her looks when I carried her books.
In Kalamazoo, zoo, 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 zoo.
I'm gonna send a wire, hopping on a flyer.
Leaving today.
Am I dreaming? I can hear her screaming.
I am Mr. Jackson, everything's okay.
K-A-L-A-M-A-Z-O. Oh, what a gal. I'll make my bid for that freckle-faced kid I'm hurrying to. I'm going to Michigan to see the sweetest gal in Kalamazoo. Kalamazoo. K-A-L-A-M-A-Z-O-O-O. What a gal, a real pipperoo. We're going to Michigan to see the sweetest gal in Kalamazoo. Zoo, 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 zoo. Kalamazoo.